Okay, we are going to start things off in the 2023 Canam lineup. We're going to start right at the 570 Xmr because that's what we do on this channel is all the Xmrs. We're not going to mess around with any of the other models in the 570 and 450 class. Nothing has changed. I cannot zoom in here. Looks like there, because I'm like looking on this on my phone here, but I'm screen recording, so it should be up here on the screen. The color has not changed. Key fob, everything is the same. I mean, there is no major differences. The price is different, of course, more money, stuff like that. So 450 max, it's just okay. That has clearly not changed. So 570 Xmr and MR have stayed the same. I'm not familiar in the X3 or the Commanders. I'm just familiar in the Outlander, so I will not go into that. Let's see. Outlander. Starting at 10.4. 10.4 for an XT model. For the base model. In 2021 or in 2020, the starting price was like $7,000 for a 650. But little did you guys know, they actually dropped the 650 lineup except for the Renegade and the 6x6. So the 650s are no more on the market. So even if I did want to get a new 650, it wouldn't even be available. This sucks because I thought Canam would definitely step up their game, but clearly not. DPS, their liquid titanium, Outlander XT 12.5 for an XT 850. That's stupid. XTP is starting at $14,000 for an 850, people. 14.2 for an Outlander XTP. And the XXE is $16,000 for... Okay. Now, this is where it gets interesting. The 850, to me, looks like it's on meth or something. Like what? Nothing has changed except for the headlights. These headlights look terrible. You can't even put halos on these. And they changed the design so right here you cannot put the original round headlights in to put halos on. Now, here's what caught my eye. If you go to the little gearbox, you can see like the person perspective view of this. At this point, I'd rather have a 2022 850. Like, I'm not joking. If my thing will ever load. Let's try this again. This is ridiculous. I'm very disappointed in Canam. I will tell you guys this. Unless I buy a Renegade 1K, my next bike will not be a Canam. Like, I cannot deal with it. Okay. Now, if you see on the big gauge cluster, there's two like little lines right here on the dash. I don't know what that will be, maybe for the indicators or something, but nothing has changed. It's nothing has changed at all. It's still an 850, but there you guys go. I mean, it has not changed. Now, what has changed is the Renegades. I will say that the Renegades look very cool. I do like that color of the yellow and the white. There was a YouTuber who did a powder coat on his 21 Outlander long wheelbase, the guy who's in the previous or like the preview video on the website, his YouTube channel, like 500 something K subs, their whole group did like a powder coat on a 21 long wheelbase 1000 Xmr, and I believe they took it from that because that looked really good. The Renegade Xmr 650, it jumped up $400. It was at 13 grand last time. Now, I will say, the colors of this I like the colors myself. You could come up with a really cool color scheme, put some tires, beadlocks on here. I mean, like, it looks good. I would definitely get this bike if I had to get any of them, but my buddy Aaron, Turkmaster 45, he already has a Renegade 650, and it performs well. You know what? I'll leave his link in the description or a little card up here. You can see for yourself. It's not changed one bit. I really do like the color though. The color pops. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the XMR. Maybe let's look at the 1Ks. Renegade 1K. Now, oh god. Guys, it's like 12. I'm filming this, so give me a break. I'm going to say the Renegade 1K can come in Magma Red, or it can come in the new color. I prefer the new color because you don't want to have a color from the last year model because it makes it look old. I like it. Nothing has changed. I'm just going to leave it there. This just doesn't cut my eye. Still has an O2 sensor, which sucks because you have to put it on your exhaust or whatever. They still haven't come out with tuning files for the 650 and the 570 for the 22 models, which sucks. What else? Trying to think. Raw video, I'm trying to think. They changed nothing. From going up to 2021 to the 22 XMR lineups was the biggest change Canam has ever done. They added the diff lock, they added the thing. Actually, that video will be here. I did that one last year. Yeah, but 17 grand for this thing, and that's even with a tax exempt or a farm tax exempt. It's like, I wouldn't. If you guys already have a Can-Am, just stick with it. I mean, this just isn't really worth it, guys. But with this being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm really not happy with this thing, but hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, hope you guys have a good day.